to eat something? Is that good? He won't eat it if it's just sitting here, but if I hand feed it to him, he'll eat it. That Grimo Leo. It's good. He got shrimp and fish. Must be good. He tearing it up. Is it good? He's so greedy. Must be good. He's the baby, but soon it's going to be more babies. You're dropping all the shrimp, Leonidas. You're going to stop being a sloppy eater. There you have it. That's how you make him eat all his food. Your cat is not eating all of the food. I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to feed it to him. I don't know what you do. A lot of times you get the food and they just look at it, and next thing you know, it's too late. You got to throw it away. Honey, I be feeding him his food, and his greedy butt be eating it. Say, that's why I weigh 9 pounds, because I be eating all my food. It was a whole plate of food just sitting here. He came over here and tore it up. Thank you, but he won't eat it on his own. Do you want some hard food? Do you want some hard food? See, he'll eat it if I feed it to him. I don't know why he's so spoiled.